Okay, flutes, now I have my flute all put together, and I'm going to do some open notes just for practice after I did the head joint. Making a really small opening in my lips. Making sure that the flute is flat with my lips. My lips are straight, my flute is straight. This does not work because it's at a different angle. I gotta have it straight. Once you feel really good about that, let's go through the first 10 lines in the book. Sometimes I try to skip ahead to hot cross buns, but honestly on flute, that is very tricky because we're having to change so many fingers at the same time. So let's go through the first few lines on pages 4 and 5. I'm actually going to jump down to B flat because I think B flat is a little bit easier. Let's first make sure that we have all of our fingers on the right keys. Let me turn around and show you. Here's where your thumb goes on the key on the right. Yours might be a slightly different shape than mine, but it's got to be on the right key. Here is the left hand. The first finger goes on the second key. We skip a key here. These two fingers go next to this pinky key that we are not using right now, okay? So, skip a key, one finger, skip a key, two fingers. My flute is an open hole, and you can see where my three big fingers go here, and then my pinky goes on top like that. So let me go this direction so you can see a little differently, okay? The last three big keys go here, and your pinky goes on the first key of the foot joint. Also look at my left hand, okay? You can see I skip this key, one finger, I skip a key, and two more fingers over here. So B flat, look at your book at number 9, and you can see the fingers that are down for number 9. Your thumb should be down, your first finger, left hand down, first finger, right hand is down, and your pinky is down, okay? The rest of the fingers are up. Let's give it a try. Okay, try that several times. Check, roll up on the lips, roll it down to make sure you got the right spot. If you're getting a sound like this, then you're probably not blowing across the hole. Check it. Be sure you're in the middle. If that's not coming out, go back to the open note and see if that's coming out. If you're getting that note, that means this is right. Your lips and the lip plate are correct, okay? If you're getting a note that's open, but the B flat isn't coming out, then we need to check the keys to be sure we have all of the keys down correctly, okay? There is B flat. All right, let's jump ahead, or rather back, to number 1. I started with B flat because it's a little bit easier. The difference between B flat and F, I'm gonna add these two fingers on my left hand. It's only fingers that change. Put down your B flat fingers, thumb, first finger, pinky, and then I'm gonna add my other two left hand fingers, like that. This is a high note, and if you look at your book, the note is higher on the staff, so it should sound higher. There is a low F, and I'm blowing really soft to get that note to come out. Here's the higher note. I'm blowing faster to get that note out, and I'm also thinking blowing a little bit more across the flute instead of down as much. Let's go on to the next line. Number 2, has quarter notes. And so we take the same note, only we're using our tongue to make quarter notes. Two, 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 two. We're not going to say it, but our air is going to be interrupted by our tongue. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Like that. I'll do it one more time in just a minute. Do not puff at the notes like this. Yes, the note came out, but it's not quite as good of a sound. We want to hear quarter notes. Now, I'm going to count off so you can play with me. Get your fingers ready for F, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, go back and practice that if you need to. And in the next video, we're going to continue on to number 3.